Excuse my hair. My natural hair. And I have hiccups because I ate fries with ketchup and put salt on them. Just a little bit. Now I'm making some food for my dog, Twix, which is a girl, Chihuahua, just in case. I'll show you guys later. And excuse the hiccups. So I got a plate with meat inside of it. And you got this colorful spoon you get it at Yogurtland. Pretty cool place to be at. So, gonna get the food. I think it's dry now. Like dry, it was supposed to be at least a little bit moist. We used to have this dog food for her, which is like, as you guys can see, it's like a circle. This food is actually better. She eats it. It's natural choice. It has no corn, gluten. I don't know, it says corn again, wheat or soy protein. But it does contain chicken, whole brown rice, and oatmeal formula. And from one, this is from 1 to, sorry, I'm all like, from 1. This is from 1 to 8 years up to 10 pounds. Okay. And these actually come out in like little pebbles. I don't know if you guys are able to see. They're like way more smaller than the other ones. Let me show you how this is the one from the little from the natural choice. I think she knows. And this is the one that's from her old food. So old dog food, new dog food. See it? So I'm going to put like almost a handful. Here it is. Drop it inside. Mix it. That's way more meat than. Okay, I need to get another handful. Not a handful. More kind of handful. So there it is. I don't even know why I got the spoon. Just gotta mix it. Oh, that's why I got the spoon. So I can scrape the rest that's on my hand and onto her plate. So this is how it looks. Mixed and everything. Now I'm getting this. I'm tired of them. And it comes in a pink. I did not mean to do it like that. I mean, I wasn't even rough hand. I don't have a rough hand, guys. You can barely see me. Oh my god. Twix, your food's ready. Where, Mama? She's a Latina dog. She's a Latina dog. Okay, let me show you. I'm gonna show you guys how she looks. Come on, Mama, get out. Are you ready to eat? She's my baby. My little baby. So, she's 4 years old. Ooh. I love her so much. Your breath stinks, girl. It stinks. Alright, wait. You're gonna jump out of my hand. Okay. Also, right now, I'm watching Harry Potter. These hiccups got me tired. We got fish here, too. Look at them. So yeah, 5 minutes. I ain't do nothing today. I was actually gonna go to a baby shower. Ended up not going because my brother ended up leaving to work and we needed somebody to take care of the dog. My parents went to a funeral. So I'm pretty much just chilling at home. So I got you alley cats on the flip side. Probably make a video when I'm going to sleep. So bye. What was this? What was this? Okay. Oh, if you're wondering, I don't know if you guys ever wonder anything, when I'm making videos. But if you guys like this nail polish, I like it. But that's why I put it on. And not to do my feet. My toes. I'm wearing hospital socks. Like literally. Hospital socks. This is when I was in a hospital like a long time ago. Somewhere like July of probably last year. So I'll catch you guys later and excuse my hair. This is how it is. Thanks to my parents. And yeah. Like I said, if there's anything that you guys want to ask me, be free to ask me on Twitter. I'll put it in the description box, my Twitter account and my Instagram if you guys want to follow me. And yeah, just go ahead and let me know. Oh my wrist is itchy. And yeah, just let me know anything that you guys want me to do. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Have a wonderful day. See you guys tomorrow. No, at night. I'm making another video tonight. So, see you guys then. Bye. Oops, stop. Oh, I think they stopped. Good. They're starting to like really bother me. I feel one right here. So.